Welcome everyone on the very first project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, project search. These are the 7 specification and requirements that we have to achieve in this project. So now we'll test one by one. So first we'll go through the pages. So this is the page that I have designed, and there are the link for image, advanced, and from there you can go back and forth. So this is the first project requirement pages. Next we will switch to query text. So in query text we'll go to Google, we'll search for something, and the associated result has came down. We can also use Google search to get the same results. So the next requirement has also been fulfilled. The query text, the next one is the query images. So we'll click on the image tab, and then we will search for something Apple, and then we'll click on image search. Related to images related to Apple has popped out, and then we can select any one of them. So the second requirement has also been fulfilled. The third requirement that we could see is query advanced, where we can check these are the things that we have to check for all these words, this exact word or phrases, any of these words and none of these words. So we'll check with this one. There are 3 words: hello everyone, Abhishek, all these words, and the result has came like that. We can see here as well. So next one, Apple iPhone 12. So this exact word we require. So because this exact word we require, they are put into inverted commas, and the associated result has came down where both these words are present. So the next one is any of these words: Apple, Samsung, and Abhishek, and then we have put, and now we can see our result has came with OR operator, so that any of the result would come first. So first one is related to Samsung, the next one is related to Apple. Now we can check for none of these words. Earlier we have done Apple, Samsung, Abhishek. Now we are removing Apple, Abhishek, so result will only be associated with Samsung. So now we can see none of these words, so minus Apple and minus Abhishek. So this such queries has been removed, and only Samsung has been shown here in our result queries. So these are the 4 requirements that have been asked in query advance. Now we can go to the next one, appearance, like Google. So if we see the Google, the appearance of this advanced search should resemble the project specification. So I put everything on the left side, and then we have provided this advanced search button to click on this, and it is very much consistent with Google's own CSS, and the button is blue with white text, and when we click advanced, we go for the phrases that we have searched for. So that is also done. Now we will see how this I am feeling lucky button is been responding to our search. Now let's say we want to search for Apple, and then we have clicked I am feeling lucky. So this has gone directly to the first page of our search query, directly to apple.com/in. So this is what how I am lucky works. So I am lucky is also done. Now the aesthetics. The aesthetics, if we see the CSS of Google as well. So let's search for the Google, and so we see Google search I am feeling lucky, and Google offered in this language, and these are the bottom portion as well as the top portion. If we see our implementation, we have provided image advanced, Google search I am feeling language, the languages that all the Google supports, and the bottom is also the same. So that's all from our side in project 0, and that's it. Thank you very much.